Good morning. So today I'm going to be installing my custom WR badges to the front and to the rear. So we're just going to have one down here, just like the ST badge, and I'll show you how I'm going to install it. So I'm just going to give the area a quick clean, just to make sure that the adhesive works well. So quickly what I've done here is I've used the foam to make a sort of 3D surround for it. It doesn't look the best, but it will work. So on the rear here, I'm just going to take this badge off and replace it with a new one. Were sorted out for me by Dave at DMB. Go check them out. They do amazing graphics for Fiestas and STs. You can get amazing inserts and custom badges like this. They've done a fantastic job. I think they look absolutely wonderful.